Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I'm your teacher Rehnaz. So today we are going to do a poem named Chooho Meow So Rahi Hai. So this is a poem about the rat and the cat. So you all know that rats and cats are enemies, like rats gets very scared of the cat. So in this poem, the rats are actually rejoicing over here. They are very happy and they are planning up so many things because the cat is sleeping. The cat is in a deep sleep, so the rats are so happy that they are planning up so many things. And what is that they are planning? You have to come along with me to know what they are going to plan. Okay? So let's start with the explanation of the chapter. Chooho meow so rahi hai. Chooho. So you can say the master of the rats or the leader of the rats are saying to others, Chooho, for the other mice. Okay. Chooho meow so rahi hai. Who is this meow? The meow is the cat. So meow so rahi hai. So rahi hai means she's sleeping. Hey rats, the cat is sleeping. So that's the title of the poem. घर के पीछे छत के नीचे पांव पसारे पूंछ सवारे. So घर के पीछे, घर is a house, पीछे is behind. So behind the house, छत के नीचे, छत is the roof, नीचे is below. So below the roof, पांव पसारे, पांव is the legs, पसारे is like widely stretched, and पूंछ सवारे, पूंछ is the tail. Savare means like it's well groomed. Okay, the tail of the cat is well groomed. So they're talking about the cat, how it's sleeping. So it's sleeping behind the house, under the roof, with its legs stretched and its tail is well groomed. देखो कोई मौसी सोई नासों में से सांसों में से. देखो koi means dekho means look others, just look at it. Mausi soi, so mausi they are referring to the cat, they called as billy mausi they call, okay, for the cat. So mausi soi means sleeping, so the cat is sleeping. Naso me se, naso is from the nose, okay, me se means from the nose, naso is nose, so me se means from, so from the nose. And sanso में से, sanso means the breath, how it's breathing, okay, from its breathing. The sound, next they're talking about the sound, what sound it's making. घर घर हो रही है. So they're telling like from its nose and from its breath there's a sound is coming, घर घर. So when the cat is sleeping it makes a purring sound, right? So it's snoring. The cat makes the sound purr, purr when it's sleeping. So when you actually, if anyone of you have a kitten at home and when it's sleeping, when you're petting the cat when it's sleeping, you can feel the sound of it, that purr, purr sound when it's sleeping. So that's what the poet is saying. Chooho meow so rahi hai. So all the rats, the cat is sleeping. Billi soi khuli rasoi. भरे पतीले चने रसीले. Billy soy, Billy is the cat, soy is sleeping, so the cat is sleeping. Khuli rasoi, so let's open the kitchen. Rasoi is the kitchen, okay, so we opened the kitchen. Bhare patile, patile means the vessels or the pots, okay, bhare means full, the pot is full. Chane rasile, chane is the chickpeas, okay. Rasile means very juicy and tasty. So the pot is filled with chana or the chickpeas, okay. So when the cat is sleeping, we open the kitchen and the pot is full. In the kitchen we have many utensils and the pots are filled with juicy chickpeas. उल्टो मटका देकर झटका, जो कुछ पाओ चट कर जाओ. So ulto matka, ulto means turn it over, matka means pot. Ulto matka, turn the pot over. Dekar jhatka, jhatka means just give it a little push and then turn the pot over. Dekar means you give, jhatka means a push. So give a little push and turn over the pot. Jo kuch pao, jo kuch, like whatever, pao means you get. So whatever you get, chat kar jao, eat it up, just finish it off. Okay, so turn over the pot and with a little push, and then whatever you get, just eat it up. आज हमारा दूध दही है. आज, today, हमारा, ours. Doodh is milk, dahi is curd. So all the milk and the curd what the cat used to eat is ours today, because the cat is sleeping. Chooho, meow so rahi hai. Hey rats, the cat is sleeping. मूंछ मरोड़ो, पूंछ सिकोड़ो, नीचे उतरो, चीजें कतरो. So the master of the rats, okay, it's giving an order. It's like as though it's giving an order. So moonch marodo, so twist your mustache, okay, just turn over your mustache, and punch sigodo, that twitch your tails also. Like this is actually, it shows a feature of like when you are like capable of doing something, and when you're proud and you're able to do something without fearing anyone. So with full of bravery, these rats are like, they want to eat up everything because the cat is sleeping. If the cat is awake, they are scared of the cats. So now the rat is like, it's showing its full attitude and the feeling that, we are very brave. And so they're twisting their mustache and their tails, they're twitching their tails. And it's saying, Niche utro, get down. And cheezein katro. Cheeze means the things. Kutro means bite. Nibble. The rats actually nibble everything, right? So get down and nibble on everything. आज हमारा, राज हमारा, करो तबाही जो मन चाही. आज हमारा, today is ours. Today is our day. Okay, the rat's day. Raj hamara, we are going to, it's a royal day today. We are going to rule over here because the cat is sleeping, and it's our rule over here. Today it's our day. We can do whatever you want. Karo tabahi, karo means do, tabahi is destruction. Okay, karo tabahi, jo manchahi. Manchahi means whatever you wish. So today is our day and we are going to rule over here. Raj means rule. Karo tabahi, do destruction and whatever you wish to. Aaj machi hai chuha shahi. So today is a day filled with the wish of the rats. Chuha shahi means whatever the rats wish to. डर कुछ भी चूहों को नहीं है, चूहो म्याऊ सो रही है. So डर कुछ भी, डर means fear, कुछ भी, anything, okay, any kind of fear. चूहों को नहीं है, the rats doesn't have any kind of fear because चूहो म्याऊ सो रही है. चूहो, rats, the cat is sleeping. So can you see the cat sleeping over here? Because the cat is sleeping, all the rats are so brave that they are like, they want to do everything. They want to eat up the chickpeas and they want to turn over the pots. They want to eat up the curd and the milk, and also they want to destroy everything and bite over everything. They want to do whatever they want because they are so brave, just because the cat is sleeping over here. So here we have few more words over here in this poem. See here, you can see it's behind. See, as the picture is over here. घर के पीछे छत के नीचे. So this is, the cat is sleeping over here behind the house under the roof. पाँव पसारे. See, the cat has stretched its leg. And पूंछ सवारे. When the cat is sleeping, it grooms its tails. Like when you see a cat when it's sleeping, it keeps the tail towards itself, towards its body. Okay, and this is bhare patile. So the pot is filled with chane rasile, with chickpeas. Inside this there is chickpeas. Okay, ulta matka. Ulta means dekar jhatka. So can you see over here, the rats are giving a push and they are trying to push the pot. So ulta, that means they are going to turn over the pot with giving a little push. So all the rats are going to push the pot and turn over. Moonch marodo, poonch sikodo. So the moonch, the cat's moonch, okay, the cat's mustache is going to be turned, and the poonch sikodo, the tail is going to be twisted. Niche utro and cheesing kutro. Can you see the rats nibble over here? So niche utro means get down. Okay, get down, and cheesing kutro means nibble down everything whatever is there. Okay, so this is the words in the poem, which with the picture they have given the description of it, and over here they have shown how to draw the picture of a rat by using the number 3. The right 3, then moonch kaan banao. Moonch is the mustache, and draw the right number 3, and after that draw the mustache and the ears, the kaan. Okay, aankhein banao, pair banao, then draw the eyes and the legs, and then poonch banao, then draw the tail. So this is the rat by using, you can draw a rat by using the number 3. So this is the poem, children. I have explained everything. It's a very nice poem. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the poem, and feel free to comment in the comment box, and do like, share and subscribe. So until my next video, take care. I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.